Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove your author name from your posts on WordPress on your site. So let's get right into it. Now, this only works pretty much if you have a blog in your theme, which I currently do not as of now. I'm pretty sure I don't, so I can't really show you exactly what you need to do. However, I will be explaining these steps in as high detail as possible, and you should be able to get where you need to go. Now, once you get here, what you need to do on your dashboard is go into Appearance, then go into the Editor. Here, you're going to need to find the left side panel that pops up here. Click on Patterns, click on All Template Parts, and that will show you this sort of page. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find your post meta, I think it's called. And as you can see, I have post formats over here, and I have a post format name right over here, but I can't access it since it is locked behind a I don't know what. So yeah, you just need to find under all patterns, you should find the post meta. Let me just search for it. I'm pretty sure it's missing. Yeah, I don't have it. But once you find the post meta, what you're going to need to do is just select the post meta section. As you can see, I can't edit pretty much any of these. So I'll just go into this here to try and see what I can do. So for example, let's say that this is the post meta. Click on edit, then click on this button at the top into document overview, and just search this until you get to your author name or anything of the sort, and that should be what you need to delete. Once you delete the author name, that's going to be deleted from all your posts on your site for the future, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.